Okay, so are you ever hungry? Are you ever starving? I'm gonna teach you how to make popcorn. So what you're gonna want to do? I'm not gonna explain to you how to buy it. I don't buy it. No, I'm not.
He's too cool for buying stuff.
I know. So you see this? You grab the popcorn. There you go.
This is not sponsored.
Why would this be sponsored? I have 12 subscribers. Okay, so we're good. By the time I make this video, I'm gonna have 400. So you're gonna want to take this. I'll take this. Wait, more than 4 million. Okay, so you're gonna take it. Drop it in there. And people like to put it on popcorn because it helps you make popcorn. But what you're actually gonna want to do is you're gonna want to press 1, 5, 3. Because 153 makes the perfect popcorn. Okay, so while that's cooking, while that's cooking, I'm gonna teach you how to do something else. It's called how to subscribe. It's a red button. Hit it. You did it. So, what we're gonna want to do next? We're gonna want to wait. While we're waiting, I'm gonna teach you how to do something else. It's called how to wait. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to. I would just grab one chair.
Might as well have an interview.
You sit there. You can drink. Now that's cold. And you can talk about your life.
Ow!
So I hurt the cameraman.
Frank.
There's iPad. Okay.
Stupid rubber orange.
Give me the rubber one.
Ow.
It has shaving cream inside, bro.